Vehicles with optional sleeper units have a control panel next to the bunk to operate various functions from the comfort of the sleeper bed. LED dome lights for the sleeper are controlled by pressing the switch on the right side of the panel. There's also a sleeper dome light switch located on the control cluster on the dash. There are up to 3 power ports in the sleeper for powering devices and appliances like TVs. Please make sure your TV is securely fastened for safety. You might have chosen to have sleeper audio controls for your truck. Use the buttons and dials to control your audio. It's right here in the middle of the panel. This spacious sleeper compartment has plenty of room for a wardrobe and drawers, a refrigerator, even a microwave. Under the bunk, you have plenty of storage space for your personal items. This sleeper has a comfortable 42 by 85-inch premium coil spring mattress. Above that, you might have a split folding upper bunk mattress as well. The weight limit for this area is 320 pounds. This sleeper is incredibly quiet. The noise-canceling insulation makes sure you'll be refreshed for your next shift.